How's everyone doing today? Welcome to another episode of Matt's Guns. Today we're going to do a disassemble and reassemble, pretty much a field strip, so you guys know how to clean your firearm. Take apart your firearm so you can clean it and oil it at home. Today we're going to work on a Ruger SR1911. The good thing is most of your 1911s are the same, and I do say the word most, not all. And I'll explain more into the tear down and everything like that, but let's go ahead and get it all teared down. Let's make sure the firearm is cleared. Remember, finger off trigger. Drop the mag. I like to cock the hammer back. Check the slide. Nothing is in, and we're ready to go. Now the first part we're going to take apart is the bushing that's up here. Now remember what I said earlier, that not all 1911s are the same. Still falls in the 1911 category, but not the same. Some have a bushing, which is this right here, and some don't. So this one has a bushing. Now the good thing about this is they do make a little tool. That's right, a little bushing tool. And if you don't have one, don't worry, I'm going to show you both ways on how to take it apart right here. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure the hammer is engaged. The reason why is because you need a little stoppage right there, and I'll show you what I mean. Take your little tool, and as soon as you get it all grind out with the grooves and everything, like so. See, that's already starting to slide back on me because there's nothing here to hold it back. So what you want to do is make sure your hammer is engaged. Get everything lined up, and you're going to want to turn it. Now the reason why I only turn it slightly is because remember, this is where our recoil spring is, and it will shoot right out at you. But if you don't have the tool, it is totally fine. What I like to do is have the gun point it slightly upward, push down, and turn. Now remember what I said, you gotta be very careful because this is when the recoil spring will come out. Okay, so now you ain't pulling out the recoil spring because it's still gonna be in there. But then what we're gonna do is turn the barrel nut, or the bushing, the other direction. Where there'll be a little groove that comes out. Slide that bad boy right on out. There we go. There's the bushing. And after that, we are going to flip it over. You should have two grooves. One groove is going to be your mag catch, your slide catch, which is this right here. And then right here is where you help you push you through your slide catch. So what we're going to do is cock the hammer back, so it's easier for you to move left and right. Get it lined up with that little moon, the first little quarter moon right there, that little itty bitty notch. Push up, pull it right out, and now everything should slide right off with no problem. There's your recoil spring. Put the little lip down, slide your barrel all the way forward, and that is how you field strip your 1911. Now, like I've been saying before in one of my other recent videos, is any firearm that you buy new, this is the first thing you want to do because you're going to need to oil your firearm. If you don't feel confident yet, ask the individual who sold it to you to oil the gun for you, because your guns will not come pre-oiled. They come dry. They're going to be dry when they ship them out and everything like that. So when you do purchase your own firearm for the first time or multiple times, don't forget, your firearm needs oil. It is still an operating machine. It's still going to create friction. So you're going to make sure you need it to be lubed. So that is the field strip. Now let's go ahead and put her back together. So it's pretty much reverse engineering. I'm going to be cleaning this here after this little video. Like so. Get your recoil spring back in. Right up in here. We're going to line everything up back on our slide. Now remember, we want to try and, this is that little hole right here that moves on the barrel. That's what this needs to fit right into. So we need to line up our holes right up in here. Holes. Giggity. I know. I'm very immature. I'm just a big ass kid. So let's go ahead. Slide it right back on. Make sure our holes line up. Now it's okay if you use a little, I use a little pick sometimes because it will move on you. And it is a pain when it moves on you. and there'll be a frustration. Like so. Like I said, it will move on you. It's okay. Don't be upset, because it does happen. It's a smidge tricky, but you'll get it, don't worry. Go ahead and get it started, which I like to do. I like to go ahead and get it started. And then after quarter moon, whop bam. Put a racker forward. Now what we're going to do is put our barrel bushing back on first. Now remember, you're going to have a groove right here, and you'll see a groove in your slide as well. Get that groove pointed towards the recoil spring. It's all lined up. Then we're going to turn it to the opposite direction. Take our little recoil plunger here, push down, get her started. Whop bam. Do your check. And that is how you disassemble and reassemble your Ruger SR1911, or most of your other 1911s as well. Hopefully that was very informational and easy for you guys. If there's a firearm that you may have that you don't know how to take down, go ahead and shoot me an email or a comment down below. Please hit like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed that. So, y'all have a great rest of your day.